So I just picked up these. These are rope lights, string lights, LEDs. They come with a little remote and enable me to change the colours. My son Sam has a fort bed. Underneath, it's very dark. These are on a 3-pin plug. We have a couple of sockets available. Hopefully they should be nice and tucked away and not visible from outside the bed. It has a remote, so hopefully he won't need to play with any of the sockets. It should be a nice quick install, all self-adhesive, and yeah, minimal tools required. I'll take you under the bed and show you what we're working with. Right, this is the bed. Built about 6 months to a year ago. Underneath, he has a desk. As you can see, some of the paint is chipped away there, but yeah, he likes to play under here, but as you can see, it's very dark. He has one socket there, and I'm hoping to run all of the lights along the top here. Being self-adhesive, it should all stick up nicely. Now I have one socket there, and I'm hoping that drilling through this wall will take me into the airing cupboard, which I have a couple of sockets as well. That might be the better option going into there, because then it leaves that plug free and also means that he's not going to be playing with any of the electrics. Right, so in the box, doesn't come with an awful lot. We have a roll of LEDs, we have some basic instructions, we have a power adapter with a transformer, and also I've noticed there it is, like an infrared sensor. We have a remote with lots of different colours, some more instructions, and yeah, fingers crossed this should be nice and easy. Okay, so I'm under the bed. They give you plenty of cable to work with. So you've got the 3-pin plug end, and then you've got your transformer. There's a split there. So what I'm thinking is we'll do like a 6mm hole, somewhere up there maybe, into the cupboard, and we'll work our way around that way, okay? That'll go through into the airing cupboard. We'll plug it in, and I think we'll put the infrared receiver in the corner of the window frame there, so that anyone standing inside the bedroom can control it that way. Attach all the cable on the top, and yeah, we've got 5 meters to work with, so I think we'll be able to do easily a whole lap around the top there. I'll put you on a bit of time lapse, and we'll see how we get on. They give you a load of these like rubber brackets with tiny 2.5mm screws. My smallest screwdriver was just rounding them off, even with a like a bradawl hole to start it. It wasn't great. So what I did was, and I actually think it looks much better, just a simple piece of trunking that goes along there. I did use one of the brackets, that's to show it in place there. That's for the infrared sensor. At the end of this trunking here is the hole into the airing cupboard. Okay, and then the lights go all the way around there, around the top, around there, and around there. Oh, that's slipping. And yeah, I'll clean up the area and then I will show you the big reveal. It's plugged in, it's all working, and 3, 2, 1. There we go. Okay, it's all working and it turned out perfect. I'm pleased that none of the wires really, can be touched by Sam. It's nice and safe. Not sure if we're going to give him full control yet of the remote, but yeah, he already seems to know how to work it, and it gives him, perfect light under there to play at his desk. Do you like it, Sam? So only a quick video today. I bought these lights on sale. I had to install them like a kid at Christmas. And I hope you like the result. I know Sam certainly does. Always remember to like and subscribe. Have a good day.